How to hide your profile on Badoo. Want some privacy on Badoo? Let's hide your profile in just a few steps. Open the Badoo app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon to open settings. Now go to account preference. From the menu you will see invisible mode. Tap on it. You will see three options there. Hide when you are online. If you toggle it on, your profile will no longer be visible to other users, but you can still browse and use Badoo. To become visible again, you need to toggle it off, and that's it. Now you can enjoy Badoo privately whenever you want. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.